Hello, my dear viewers. This is Discuss Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today, 2nd of May 2023. The day is Tuesday, as mentioned on the screen. This is the YouTube channel of Discuss Copy Bank, which is based in Switzerland. And I'm not an employee of Discuss Copy Bank. I am an independent trader, but I am the member of the community of the traders. So I try to contribute, like sending out my analysis in the forms of webinars every day, where I try to discuss the key areas of interest in the major currency pairs and some other pairs also that we see every day. I hope you know. MJ is already here. Hello MJ, welcome to the stream. He knows, and most of my viewers they know. And because we are only trading or analyzing the price action, so we try to stay away from the fundamentals. Whatever is happening in the world, we are not concerned because everything is already priced into the chart. So we only focus on the charts, and we see the key levels from where the price can reverse and how we can plan our trades around those key levels. So rather than wasting time in telling you what we do, what we don't do, let's do it here. But before I start the webinar, I must tell you that everything that I say in this live stream should not be taken as a trading advice. It should only be taken as a information or knowledge or a way of doing things, but not a direct trading advice. Even if I trade in the webinar, you should not trade, or you cannot trade and say that I traded because Rakesh told me to do so. No, I am not saying you to do anything. That is your discretion. If you think that this thing will work for you, you do it. You're welcome. But if you think that it will not work for you, the responsibility is yours. And before I hop onto the charts, let me take you through the disclaimer. All right. So here comes the US dollar index. I think my viewers, they already know, but still I will be speaking about it again. Now, okay, well, this polyline already explains what we are expecting in this market, okay? But the problem here is that this 4-hourly candle, which is about to close in the next 25 minutes or so, is a bearish engulfing. And it is not only engulfing this last 4 hours, but it is also engulfing previous 4 for 16, like almost 20 hours of trading. 1 2 3 4 5 for the 20 hours of trading it is engulfing. That means whatever happened in the last 24 hours is being negated by this candle, and it is suggesting that the price is going to go down. Now this is just a suggestion, okay? Because the channel is still intact, and I'm expecting actually a bit of buying from here, and I'm expecting the price to reverse from 102.46 or very close to that. But this was not very far, this was also close to that, and if the price reverses from here, I think it will also be a healthy push to the downside, because we are already in the, I will say, premium now. If you see, from this down move to this down move, okay, this is just a common sense to sell the market, short sell the market when it is heavy, or in other words, when it is at higher price, right? So if you do the Fibonacci lines, Fibonacci retracement from this swing high to this swing low, you will see that if it is above 50%, then it is time to sell the market, or you can sell this market above 50%, and at 62% it is very good price, and at 78% it is the best price, because after that we don't try to sell the market, and above 100% there is no point in selling the market because the market structure changes above 100%. Okay, so if you get this market anywhere above 50% to sell this market, then I think it's good to get the price above 101.45, and this bearish engulfing is showing me that there is a possibility that the price will now drop to the lower side, which we were expecting, not today, but yes, from the last week we are expecting the price to go down, and that's why we had created this counter channel and that's why we had written this. Daily time frame is bearish or down, 4-hour time frame is bearish or down, 1-hour time frame is bullish or up. When did we write this? I don't know. But yes, 1-hour time frame was bullish, and yeah, till here it was bullish, bearish 4-hour, but as soon as it broke higher on this particular candle today, it turned bullish. Now 4-hour time frame is bullish, but this candle is bearish. Now that's why I said that price from here may go again to the upside and then break to the downside. This is what I'm expecting actually in this market. Okay, if I switch to 1 hour, maybe I will be able to clear you. So you see the price was going higher highs and higher lows. So that's why I said that the price is bullish in the 1 hour time frame. But if the price would have gone above 101.98, then only it would have been bullish on the 4 hour, and that has happened 4 candles or 5 candles back, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 hours before. That has also happened. So now daily time frame is bearish, 4 hour is bullish, and 1 hour has gone actually bearish just now on this particular candle. And see, this is on the support area of the channel, and also it is at 61.8% of the previous fall. So there are multiple reasons for the buyers to go long in this area. Okay, there are multiple reasons with the buyers to go long in this area. So I'm expecting some buying from here, and then eventually this price to break below this rising channel at a higher price. This is what I am expecting. I hope everybody understands. I don't know. Okay, I hope that if you don't understand, you will tell me, right? So this is what is happening on the daily. On the daily, this should come here. Okay, and this should go here. So let's see how the things unfold. But this is a bearish pin bar on the daily chart at the resistance, and on the lower sides we have a support around now. Okay, this was the higher high, this was the higher low. So now this qualifies as the support. 101.36 on the lower side qualifies as the support. Once it breaks, we turn bearish again. Okay, actually on the daily we are already bearish, but I think on the 4 hour we will turn bearish. Okay, on the 4 hour we have already turned bearish, because the market structure you see here, it made high here, highest higher high, but okay, no, so I cannot consider this low, because on this particular candle it made a high. So in this case, this becomes our swing low. So 101.19 becomes the swing low on the 4 hour. Now you might be saying, why not this low here? Because this low, the price created before, this is not the lowest low that the price has created after making this high and before making this high. In between these two highs, the lowest low is this one. So this is our uptrending pivot. Okay, now this price needs to break. So yeah, that's it. Guys, what is happening in the euro? Well, we are long in the euro. Just now we are long, and on the upside actually we are targeting 1.1095. No, we are targeting actually higher than that, but this is the highest high that the price has made, so I'll say that keep an eye on this level. Now this level will go south, and price on the 4 hour is making lower highs and lower lows. If the price breaks this high, which is important now, if the price breaks this high at 1.1006, then we will turn bullish on this one, at least on the 4 hour. Otherwise, what you can do is you can draw a channel and then look for this channel to break to the upside, right? So most important levels on the 4 hour is 1.1006, on the low side 1.10942, and on the daily chart these are 1.0909, and on the high side 1.1095. Pound, I told you that expect some buying in this area. Actually we bought this market and our stop loss is triggered. I think we are now no open positions here. Our stop loss is triggered, because we had tried to trade it on the 1 hour time frame, but it got rejected and our stop loss got triggered. This is 1 hour time frame. Well, on the higher time frames, on the 4 hour, there's a bullish engulfing. This can be considered as the support area. If the price breaks above this falling channel, then only I will be a buyer in this market. Otherwise, there's no point buying at the current prices. And on the daily, I will say that we are still buyers on the daily time frame until and unless the price breaks below 1.2352 in this market. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, 1.2352 is the support on the lower side and 1.2583 is the resistance on the upside. The bias is bullish. Okay, I'll remove these channels and everything so that things are clear. So you see, this is an uptrend, and there is a clear uptrend, and before making this high, after making this high, the price made this as the lowest low. That's why this qualifies as the lowest low in the uptrend, like here between these two highs. And we need this to break for us to turn bearish in this market. Okay, till the time this does not break, 1.2352 holds, we cannot turn bearish on this market. The market structure is bullish, and now it's only a matter of time when it tries to gain prices again. But even if it tries to go higher side, we will have 1.2583 as the minor resistance, which is the recent high that the price has created in this. And after that, we will be targeting this high 1.2666 that the price had made around 26th of May 2022 last year. Okay, Australian dollar, I want to turn bullish on this one, but the problem is that every time the price is trying to go higher, it is getting rejected. Now this time I am having more hopes on this one. Why? I will tell you. Okay, so this is the area where I think something is building up. Okay, today I have heard, I'm not sure about that, I did not try to confirm it, but I think yes, Australia has raised the interest rates. I'm not sure that I just overheard somebody talking about it, and now I thought that my prices will tell me, and it looks like yes, something has happened here, because Australia is gaining for no reason. Everybody else is down. Why Australia would gain? Yeah, maybe because of interest rate hikes. Now the thing is, is that I want to create a small line by joining the highs. Okay, and I want to make sure that this line breaks. This is a short term. Okay, and if I zoom out, I'll see that this market is in a downtrend. All right, and if I create a downtrend like this, then I will see, okay, the market will remain in a downtrend for a longer time. Now these are just tools. Australia has increased the interest rate up to 3.85%. Okay, yes, so no, now you know why this rise, because of the interest rate hikes. Yes, so the point here is that Australian dollar has been in the downtrend. Okay, and if you remember that we had created this inverse head and shoulder, which we are expecting to go up. So we are expecting the price to grow up, and you know, the longer term reversals in the price happens when the interest rates change, right? We needed a catalyst for this double bottom to break to the upside. Remember, we needed a double bottom to break to the upside. That is price needs to go beyond 0.6805, because that is the price where we want to become buyers. Okay, and with more risk, if you want, on the 4 hours you can turn buyers right now. Why I'm saying right now? Because you see, on the 4 hour, this market structure has broken, it has taken support, and boom, and that is not just a boom, that is a boom with the higher volumes. So what you can do is, if you think that the price will keep going up in the near future, you can do something like this. Yeah, you can look for a buying opportunity again close to 0.6641 if the price holds, right? Or what you can do is, you can again go to 1 hour and draw a downtrending channel again. But this will be, I think, an aggressive type of action, where you will be looking for a buying opportunity like this. Okay, here. But if you ask me from a longer time frame point of view, then I will say you should not be looking for the small fishes. Okay, we should be trying to catch a whale. And here, if you want to catch a whale, then it is like above 6805. If you buy, then you will know that the market has started an uptrend, and it can actually last at least towards this line, which is downtrending here, and that will meet the price somewhere around, I think, in the future, if it says 72 or maybe 7142 area. And if I buy above this, I will not be having stop losses below this, but yes, my stop losses will be like this. I will show you. If the price breaks higher than this, it will come back like this. Yes, so if I'm looking for my buying opportunity somewhere here, then my stop loss will be somewhere here, and my take profit will be here. Yeah, so how does it work? See guys, if I buy even say here, my stop loss will be around 60 points, and my take profit will be approximately 300 points, and it is 1:5 risk to reward ratio. So it all makes sense to wait and enter the market in the right direction, or otherwise, like I told you, that in other words, you can buy this market right now on the 4-hour. Okay, in that case, right now means after 8 hours, somewhere here around 0.6641. In that case, if you buy here, your stop loss will be somewhere around 20 pips or 25 pips, and your take profit will be approximately 50 points. So here you can trade only in the 4-hour time frame. You will have to book your profits at around 0.6705, because you are not sure that the market will go up or not for sure. But if you wait for the market to go up above 6805 and then let it come back and test this as a fresh support, you will know, okay, this has held as a support. Now we can look for the higher highs. In that case, you will be targeting 7142 area. I hope that helps. All right. What about the New Zealand dollar? We are bullish in the New Zealand. Yesterday I told you about this counter trending channel on the downside, and I said when this channel breaks to the upside, we should be taken as this. Okay, this is what happened. I expected here, I actually expected some resistance here, and that came as a resistance, but eventually it was bought again, and now the price is going up. All right. All right. Yes. Now, I think, remember yesterday I told you that you might be thinking that this is a bearish engulfing. I will sell this market, but the market structure is up. Well, I'm not sure that if I said so or not. But yes, the market has cleared this falling channel on the 4-hour at least, and on the daily also. So yes, now the next level of resistance for this market will be around 0.6314. So keep a sharp eye on this 0.6314. And if you really want to buy this market, you look for a pullback above 6207 to the downside. And then again, when it starts going up, you should buy this market. Okay. Now this is on New Zealand dollar. Yeah, on the downside, we should have support at 0.6187. And if that doesn't hold, then 0.6083 should act as a support for this market. USD JPY 137.91 is what we were expecting. Well, that did not happen, and the price has reversed from there. Although it made an intraday high around 137.77, and now I told you that when channel breaks to the upside and the channel is rising, it is extremely bullish. So expect some support here again in this market. 137.91 still is the target in this market, guys. Okay, on the low side, you can expect some support at 135.11. USD CAD. All right, boom, 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 boom. Okay, 136.67 is the resistance. Once that is taken down, 1.3804 is what we should be targeting. And I think Brent must be falling badly. Let me check what is happening in the Brent. Yeah. Oh, did you see that? Guys, did you see that? Oh my. Why? How did I deduce that the Brent must be falling badly? How did I deduce this? Just by looking at USD CAD. Because the dollar is falling against the other currencies. Okay, the dollar is falling against the other currencies, okay, badly, and Canadian dollar is falling badly against the US dollar. That means US dollar is rising against the Canadian dollar, and Canadian dollar is based, this economy is mostly based on the crude oil, and if crude oil is falling, then only US dollar can increase against the Canadian dollar, and this is what is happening. All right, guys, now that is a fundamental thing to talk about, but from a technical point of view, 136.67 is the next level of interest, and on the lower side now we have still 135.22 is the level of interest for us. USD CHF, well, again the price has, after breakout, I can say on the 4-hour and daily there was a breakout. Okay, there was a breakout, and today even after the breakout the price is giving us a bearish pin bar, but that has no resistance on the way. So the support is where the price has just come at the support point 8927. Ideally there should be a buying from here, but I think buying a bearish pin bar will not be a good idea. So wait and watch for this pair to clear 19002 level. In that case it would have already broken above this double bottom. I think that will be a good idea to wait and trade it above 9002 only in the long direction. But if you are willing to go short in this market, then I say that below 0.8859 going short in this market will be a good idea. Right now I'll say stay on the sidelines. CAD is commodity dependent, right? Very much correct. And most above all it is dependent mostly on the crude oil, because Canada is a big exporter of crude oil. Silver, okay, silver, I am not able to manage silver now. Why? Because yesterday silver managed to go 25.90, today dropped to 24.56. Now it has again managed to give a high of 25.47. So there's a lot of push and pull here going on in the silver, and well, the structure of the market is down only, okay, but now the market has made a high here, so I think I should make my channel now like this. So let's see how the things unfold in the silver. Silver is supposed to consolidate here for some time. Let's see. And on the higher side, expect this recent high that the price has made. I think this should be an interesting level for us, and this low that the price has made, that should also serve as a good level of interest for us. Okay, 24.47. It should not be like this, but like this. All right, guys. Gold. Oh, gold has finally broken above. That means it is a clear indication that the prices are going to go higher. So in that case, I think I can expect silver also to go higher. And if the gold gives us a close above 2012, then I think the next level will be 2048, and later on 2070 in this market. On the lower side, expect support from 1969 levels, guys. Brent, well, it is trading below 75.88, which was the support level, and if it gives a close below this, then I think 72.66 is the next level of interest for the crude oil that we can see. On the higher side, if you start rising from here, 75.88 intraday, it is the resistance. Later on 77.33 should be a good resistance for the prices if it goes higher. Yesterday we were actually looking for the price to go beyond this, like towards 83.03, right? And this has reversed, it has gone against us, but that is because of the market structure. There is no objection to that, but we were expecting the market structure to break, and that did not happen. So nothing is wrong here. I think everything is going good, just we expected bad. based on the OPEC decreasing the output, we expected the prices to rise, but no, it has fallen further. USD ZAR, I'm bullish on this one. Now you see the dollar is falling against everything, but it is still rising against the South African rand. So my target is intact. 18.5348 is the target. After that is taken out, 18.7165 will be targeting later. On the lower side, this rising channel should provide support to the price, and 70.9896 is the horizontal level that you should keep your eye on. In Bitcoin, break, retest, not pushing below that. These levels are acting as a support. The buying is not much, the volumes are not very much. Okay, so again I will say that expect this triangle to form in the coming days. Let's see how the things unfold. And from the resistance point of view, 29,978 should act as a good resistance. Okay, 29,978 should act as a good resistance, and the support should be provided by around 26,950 area. Euro yen, well, 149.78 is what I was expecting to act as a support, and today the price is made 149.82, and that is also very close to the level of support that we were expecting. But this is also a bearish engulfing, and expect the prices to go deeper towards 148.62 before it can take off towards 156.82. Euro GBP, we are in a selling mode in this one, and now looking at this 4 hourly or this price action, you might be thinking, oh, the market is going up now. No. Okay, don't get the market structure up. Now it is a downtrending market structure, so everybody will be looking for a selling opportunity, and that selling opportunity is somewhere here. This is the best opportunity that you can get, because this is a confluence of two resistances. But sometimes price tends to reverse from here, sometimes from here, sometimes from here, so anything can happen. Okay, but this is the best opportunity that you can get, because if you get here, your market structure will also be intact, and you will get the best price here. 0.8865 is the best area of interest for the sellers. Talking about S&P 500, well, we did not take any targets around 4195, and we came back to test this broken resistance as the fresh support. Let's see if this holds. If it doesn't hold and the price breaks below 4048, then it will be a doom's time for the S&P, because after this breakdown, the price will directly land up on 3809 area. Okay, if the price does not hold above 4048, the price will drop to 3809. That's it. On the higher side, expect now 4141, 4172 as the resistances. Euro against the Australian dollar, like I said, okay, yeah, it has come to a level where you should be acting, should be looking for a buying. Yeah, the price was moving in a channel. We had made a counter trending channel. Yes, the buying is happening at the support area, but this is not enough. This is not enough, because we are expecting this downtrending channel to break to the upside. When it breaks, we'll be sure, okay, yes, the market has started an uptrend. Otherwise, expect 1.6528 area, which is the broken support, recently broken support, to act as a resistance. If the price fails to get rejection from 1.6528 and continues further, then we will be buyers in this market again. Otherwise, I think I should be expecting a sell-off to 1.6219. I'm not a buyer or a seller in this market, but still I'm keeping an eye on this on the daily. Sometimes it provides you very good what do you call it, very good trading opportunities. So trading it above 1.6528 will be a good idea, I think. Ethereum, nothing on Ethereum, guys. It is just still consolidating, so I will not talk anything about it. 1784 is the support, 1961 is the resistance. That's it. CAD JPY, okay, this is the market that we should be talking about. Well, we are bullish on this one. but I think the market is trading good, like it is getting some pullbacks, then impulse, then pullback, then impulse. Now this pullback, if it continues till I think 97.55, then fine. But if it goes below 97.55, then I think we will become sellers in this market, because this is the lowest low that the price has made before making these two highs. So yes, this is a level of interest for us on the daily, and on the higher side, expect now 101.80 to act as a resistance. All right, and you can actually forget all these levels now. Boom, 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 clean, clear. That's it. All right, keep an eye on these two levels only. That's it. And last is USA Tech. Well, 13224. First it breaks out of it to the higher side, then it gives a bullish pin bar on the daily, bullish, okay, bullish, and then it falls back. Now, can this be treated as a breakout and retest? Well, we can only say it after we see what is happening here. Okay, so this is the uptrend that the market had started, then it started narrowing down of the market. Now when the market starts narrowing down, it tends to make a wedge. Now this is a formation of a wedge, I think. So let's see how the things unfold in this wedge also. But whenever you see a rising wedge, that wedge generally breaks to the downside, and that break results in a fall, at least till the start of the wedge. The start of the wedge can be considered from here, 11,678. So let's see how the things unfold in this one. But yes, right now the market is trying to consolidate and pull back. The maximum pullback that is allowed in this market will be around 12,719. Okay, if the price breaks below 12,719, then I think we should be looking for the selling structure in this market. That's all guys from my side today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. MJ, you have any specific question, please? All clear. All right. So yes, if I have to consolidate today's points, then I think dollar index, which is bearish on the daily, is maybe it will improve for some time, like on the 4-hour, and then get rejected. This is my speculation, and as such right now on the 4-hour it has got rejected, and the euro is trying to gain bias at the lower levels, but 1.01006 area is acting as a resistance. Also it is trading between the though it is trading between these two resistance levels, and also this is area of confluence on the 4-hour. So expect some sell-off from here around 1.1006. Pound is also consolidating. Australian dollar, no buy, no sell. New Zealand dollar may be a good opportunity for us to go long, and if you can wait actually for this high to be taken out, which is 0.6225, because after that you will have a resistance at around 80 to 90 points above that. So I think that will be a good idea. That's all guys. USD/JPY is also consolidating. USD CAD has started an up move again. USD CHF is consolidating. Silver is trying to make a move to north. I think consolidation is over in the gold. 2048 is the target. Brent has started going low. 72.66 are the targets. USDs are almost at the targets, 18.5348. Bitcoin consolidating. Euro JPY is consolidating. Euro GBP is on pullback. So yeah, rest you are aware. Okay guys, so I hope that now you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and coming days. Just keep in mind to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much for watching.